Well, after last night, I probably had one.
Well, now that's interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch Chuck Aaron as he does things with a helicopter that nobody a few years ago even believed was possible. Chuck Aaron, welcome to Owensboro.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate being here.
Now, you got smoke going like crazy coming off of that helicopter, but this is something that you're in a unique position to use because only a few helicopters in the world are certified for helicopter aerobatics, and you're one of only a handful of folks on the planet who's authorized to do it. How did that come about?
Well, it was 15 years ago, and I was asked to take a helicopter modified to airbags and no one could do it. And a couple weeks later, figured out a way to do it, and I've been doing it ever since.
And now you are not on the air show circuit so much, but you're working with Southern Utah University. Tell us about that.
Yes, I am. I'm real proud of it. Got passport to Southern Utah University. And I got my tower and Jeffrey Pan. They're here, and they run the program there that you use, and I'm really happy for them to take over and keep moving this along. I'm done. Long enough. Like other people do.
Well, that's pretty special. You pass on that talent and pass on that